Welcome to my insanity!
Love it. Hello and welcome to my insanity. Today I'm filming a video on how to do hostel makeup because I thought maybe that's a good idea. I don't know. Either way, Joe and I have been traveling for the last 3.5 weeks. We went to London. We went to Iceland. We went to Paris. Now we are in Edinburgh, Scotland, and it's absolutely amazing. And tonight is a Saturday, so we're going to go out and see the local town. But you see, when you look at all these makeup guru channels, all you see is like buckets and like truck full of makeup. When you're traveling, you do not have the time, you do not have the money, and you do not have the space. So therefore, I'm going to film a tutorial of how I've been doing my makeup pretty much every single day that takes me, I think, a maximum of what, 20 minutes, and that's only because it took me 20 minutes to film this.
It'd take a lot and a lot if she shut up.
Yeah, it wouldn't take me as much if I didn't talk as much. But either way, if that's something that interests you or you feel as though might be helpful, keep watching. If that is not something that interests you, then I'll see you in a different video. Bye! Let's go! I got 7 brushes, 2 eyeliners, because like I know that one's running out, but I don't know which one's running out, so I just thought, better keep both. And then 6 products, and then eyelashes. So like, if you can do better, hit me up, yeah? So, there's a mirror here so I can actually see what I'm doing, yeah? Also, the lighting's terrible, but if anyone, like, even questions me on this, or, like, is like, your lighting, mate, I'm in a hostel, alright? I'm not, like, James Charles level, but at the same time, not everyone is, so I feel as though heaps of people are gonna like this, yeah? Because they're like, I don't have no James Charles kind of, like, aesthetic or money, so therefore, like, I need a cheap bitch to stand there and be like, how do I do this? Like, on the fly. How do I do this real quick and still like turn a look out, yeah? Yeah, so chuck your concealer on, cover up all the sin of the last 3.5 weeks. Your lack of sleep, your lack of coffee. There was legitimately 2 days ago, we decided that we wanted to go to Loch Ness, and as soon as we check into our hostel, they're like, oh yeah, by the way, we have a pub crawl tonight. And because we're Australian, we were like, pub crawl? Yes. Heck yeah, we're there. Joe was lucky enough to get an hour's worth of sleep and doesn't like coffee, so he had a Red Bull. Janet, on the other hand, got 20 minutes of sleep, was running off only 1 coffee the day before, so was not having a great time. And you know what? Yesterday I had maybe like 10 hours worth of sleep, which is great, but like still not enough to make up for the 20 friggin' minutes.
It's concealer, not foundation.
Mate, I don't have foundation. That's the thing. The concealer is acting like foundation. Also, like, there's a lot of sin to cover up on this mug. No, let's be honest. I'm gonna try and go from goblin to like...
sinful.
From goblin to like, hey, I've gotten enough sleep this week. And not relied on caffeine to keep me going. Alright, so that's all I'm doing for my base, right? Just to, oh, if we could blend that properly, Janet. Yeah, that's as good as we're gonna get. Alright, so once you get that, grab the most versatile eyeshadow palette you possibly own. The most versatile one I own is this boy. This bad boy. This thick boy. Okay, and then... Alright, so grab your Too Faced palette. And then you got 3 colors. White chocolate, accurate. And then you got milk chocolate, also accurate. And then you've got semi-sweet, accurate. Perfect. Alright, and then grab this brush. What is this? This is a 227 Luxe Soft Definer. And because I'm a messy bitch, I just use one side of it for the light colors and the other side for the dark colors, because who needs separate brushes? Saves room and time. So grab your light color and just like grab that white chocolate and just spread that all over everything, because I don't know, set your face.
You use it as a base color.
I use it as a base color. See, Joe coming through with the makeup tutorial aesthetic. Aesthetic
like
knowledge.
The 3 that I've watched in my life.
Yeah, exactly. He's watched 3 makeup tutorials and can probably do this better than me. Alright, so now that you put that all over that, grab your milk chocolate. Apparently this palette smells really nice, like chocolate, but like I haven't had a sense of smell since Eliza kicked me in the face. So like, it's kind of wasted on me, sorry. Alright, and then like, you've got some sort of like ridge thing where your eye socket is or something. Just chuck it in there and give yourself some definition.
So you mean your eye socket?
Yeah, I don't know.
Some ridge thing, you mean your eye socket?
No, like all these makeup artists are like, oh yeah, chuck it in your crease, your inner corner, blah blah blah. I'm like, mate, I'm putting on makeup. I'm not studying anatomy. Alright, once you put, oh.
What?
She unfocused. Alright, then grab your semi-sweet and just chuck it in the, whatever that is.
The outer corner.
That part of your eye.
Your outer corner.
Grab the darker brown and chuck it there. Joe says it's called your outer corner. Touch cancelled. What? I didn't touch anything. Joe's just checking himself out because he knows that out of the two of us, he's the attractive one. You're also doing something behind me. You forget that I'm looking in a mirror.
I know.
Alright, then I'm gonna grab this little bad boy. Alright, once you do all that and have Joe interrupt you, ever so rudely, no. You grab a 230 Luxe pencil, also by Zoeva. It's this tiny little dude. This dude isn't actually really necessary, but like, it's either that or I use my finger. And just chuck it. What's that called, Joe?
Inner crease.
Inner crease? Okay, look, I'm gonna look at it on the camera and hope that I don't mess this up. Whatever that part is.
Yeah, your inner crease.
I need my glasses. I think that says champagne truffle.
Yeah.
Alright, champagne truffle for whatever that section of your eye is. This part isn't necessary, but like, I like her. She just kind of like brings the whole look together, yeah? You grab this, what are you called?
Glitter.
Stila Diamond Dust, yeah? And
the glitter.
What we're about to do is real technical. Get the thing. I don't know, sponge? I don't know.
It's a brush.
Get the thing, drag it on your eyelid a teeny bit, and get one of your fingers and pat it.
Yeah, so complex.
I know, right? And always pull that face while you're doing it, otherwise you'll screw it up. Okay, you can't see it heaps well, but like at the same time, it looks cute, alright? Sue me.
It smells like chocolate.
See, someone with a sense of smell is reviewing the chocolate scent, and it smells like chocolate. Accurate. See, and then just do the same thing with that eye. Oh my god. So technical. But like the only thing with doing it with your finger is like...
You get glitter everywhere.
You get glitter everywhere, and then you rub it on your pants and you're just like, damn it, now I got glitter on my pants. Alright, so now you got glitter on your eyes. Oh my god, you look so stunning. Alright, then grab your two eyeliners, right? I'm using some Can't Vaccinate Them Kids because I paid money for it before she turned into like one of those people, and I'm gonna use it till like it's dead because I'm broke. Alright, so grab the one that you think works the best, because one of them's empty, but you keep forgetting which one and you don't throw it out because you're lazy, Janet. And then dual wing. I've said this in a few of my tutorials. Flick and drag, and that's what you're going for. That's what you got, alright?
You actually did that pretty well.
Thank you. I've gotten better.
Also, did you know when you use powder, you're meant to tap the brush after to get any excess?
No. Also, Joe has known me for 5 years, so he's seen me before I actually got any kind of makeup skill. So this is like, this is...
Trust me, it's better than what you did before.
Why, is there something on my...
No. Oh, you're doing one line. Okay, I'll do it later.
Good boy. Exactly. If a girl is ever putting on her eyeliner and you think it's a fun time to like mess with her, that is how you lose something. I'm not going to specify what something because it's up to the girl. If you want to take an eyeball, take an eyeball. If you want to take something else, take a foot.
Take a foot?
Alright, cool. That's as good as we're going to get. So once you do your eyeliner, I'm only going to do this side of my face and then I'll do the other side off camera because that's what everyone does. Come on. Skills? I don't know. Okay. Wait, where is she? Wait.
Contour.
I'm forgetting. No, there's another part.
Lashes or contour?
Brow. Even though I've already got like kind of thick, dark defined brows, whatever. There's another color called Triple Fudge, which is a dark brown. But this baby right here.
Do we know an Edgar?
I do not know an Edgar. With a name like that. Sorry, Edgars. Like, it's just a really defined name. Yeah, just grab your Triple Fudge and then just fill in your eyebrows a bit with, what are you, brow line brush. Man, I'm doing so good with this. So now that you got one eyebrow done, yeah? Time to do lashes. Hate this part.
You can do it.
So grab this
eye color.
Terrifying contraption that is ever so broken. When did I break that?
You probably slept on it.
I did probably sleep on it. It's a hostel. Either way, chuck it on your eyelashes, squeeze and pray to the Lords that you're not either going to take off your eyelashes or give yourself a blood blister all over your eyeline.
Either way, it'd be hilarious.
Either way, Joe's in for a great time. And then just chuck on some Better Than Sex mascara because, like, hot diggity damn, this stuff is like eyelash concrete. It does not come off. In this whole entire video, everyone's going to realise how much of a messy bitch I am. And they're either going to be like, yes, bitch, work. Or be like, oh my god, how do you not have several diseases? I have not put my eyelashes back correctly, so therefore, I've got to figure out which one's right and which one's left.
Does it really matter?
It does. But also, apparently, my eyes are two different sizes. So I guess we gotta figure out which eye is bigger. So I've only been taking one pack of eyelashes with me. They're not specifically reusable, but they don't say that you should throw them out after one use. So therefore, I've been using them almost every single day. Cause why not? Alright, so, oh no, that's way too much glue, there was a bubble. Oh, chuck on not that much glue, which like you can't see. I see everyone, look how much glue is on there. Don't chuck on that much glue because then you have to wait like 24 hours for it to friggin' get tacky. Alright, look, I'm too impatient for this. So we're gonna put this on and hope to God that it works. So put it on.
Or glue's her eyeshadow,
pray,
either way.
And I don't actually know how to do these properly. Go talk to James Charles or Jeffree Star or any of the other ones. Okay. Praying to the gods, praying to the gods, praying to the gods. Oh man, there is glue everywhere. I prayed wrong.
To the wrong guy?
I don't know which one to pray to. Oh no. Look, I think this is as good as she's gonna be considering the amount of glue. Like you can still see wet glue above my eyeline, but you know what? Whatever. That's what we're going for. Next step. Alright, so next step. I'm gonna do this side off camera. Boom. Okay, cool. So now like I've done this section, I've done me goggles, yes? Grab your contour if you're a person that likes to contour. If you're not a person that likes to contour, then guess what? You get to save some space. Guess what? I just dropped it on the ground. Please don't be shattered. She lives, bitch. So once again, I have this kind of brush. What are you? Like sheer cheek, bozo weaver, whatever. So one side is for your browns, one side's for your pales, because I'm a messy bitch that doesn't wash my brushes when I'm traveling and or want more than one brush for the same job, so screw it. So just suck your face in like a fish. Perfect, you have some sort of a cheekbone. Not heaps, but like, yeah, it's kind of nice, yeah? Oh my god, yeah, so the hostel we're in right now is called Castle Rock Hostel. So there is the castle legitimately
across the road.
At our back window. Like, we have a window that sees a castle, just casually. Our, like, room is called Scottish slang. Like, the bathrooms have toilet seats that have glitter on them because why not? The hostel people are absolutely lovely. And for some reason, we've come all the way to Edinburgh and, like, everyone that works here is an Aussie.
Mm-hmm.
I've made more Australian friends here than I have, like, at home. And I live in Australia, so that makes no sense. Yeah, also I forgot my nose. So once you do your cheeks, do your nose. So just, like, put on some of the brown. Not the lighter colour, because that doesn't make sense. That's not a contour. Alright, and then just get your fat brush and go flick. And then the other side and go flick, and there's your nose.
That's not how you do it.
That's how I do it. So once we do all the powder on our face, we get our other fat brush, who is an absolute god. What are you? You are Luxe Highlight. Got it right again. And then in our chocolate bar palette, we've got the Champagne Truffle colour, which even though it's technically an eyeshadow, didn't say I couldn't use it as a highlight. Glowing for the gods, darling. The god. You can't really see it because like the lighting in here is shocking. Use your eyeshadow as a highlighter because like space saver, yeah? You got your eyeshadows, you got your highlighter, and you got your brow colour. So like perfect. Alright, and then
how are you gonna sleep tonight?
Then get your finger, and I'm not showing my bed in this friggin' we're not showing my bed for this one. And then use your finger on the same thing, dab it on your nose. Dab.
Not like that.
Mate, it's shimmery, it works, it's fine. And then drag it over your little hump and then like make your face kind of look like a duck and then put it on the top part, yeah? Except I can't do it when Joe's watching because I won't stop smiling. See? Now we're all shimmery up the top. And now all of this is pretty much done. No, we're not using setting spray because like...
She's also done it all wrong.
That takes up room. Mate, I still look good. Tell me I don't. And then like grab...
Oh, you do, but you just did it all wrong.
Grab yourself like some sort of top lip colour. I'm just going for like some sort of like lip gloss from Colourpop called Dropout. Or like this looks really good with red lipstick. But I also bite my lips a hella ton. So it's just going to make my teeth pink and smudge the lipstick. So that doesn't make sense. Perfect. Done.
Brown cow stunning.
Brown cow stunning. So that is how Janet does her makeup while she's traveling through hostels, through Europe, through Iceland, through wherever we're going. And I feel as though everyone's going to be sitting here being like, Janet, your hair still looks like absolute trash. And the answer is yes. Because I don't remember the last time I washed it. You see these lovely braids that I have? Just undo the braids and then all of a sudden, woo, your hair's got some sort of texture to it, which like, she does alright. You're going to a club anyway, it's dark, no one really cares.
Not gonna lie, next time I'm doing your makeup.
Why? She doesn't look that bad.
No, you look fine, but I'm saying I can do it better.
Alright, tune in next week for when Joe does my makeup with the same 7 products and see if he can do better. But either way, that's the makeup that I'm going with for today. If you're a kind of person that likes traveling and you're like, how do I travel and do makeup at the same time? There's 7 products. My face doesn't look half bad. Like, it looks presentable, you can still look fine. Like, you're all good. Also,
honestly,
it gives Joe a
you
laugh.
didn't even need all 7 products.
No, I could have done without the glitter. I could have done without the eyeliner. I probably could have done without the eyelashes.
To be fair, all you really need is a versatile eyeshadow palette.
And just like some concealer and stuff.
Concealer. And just a lippy.
Yeah.
And you're good.
And you're good. All these products that you see on all these like makeup guru channels, yeah, it looks great and stuff, but at the same time, not real like helpful when you're going around the world and like see the world. Yeah, not just like eyeshadow brushes. What are you doing?
I'm saying if you feel in, you didn't even fill in your eyebrows properly.
Oh my god. But either way, that is how you beat your face when you're traveling through Scotland, and just traveling in general. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. That is my video for today. And yeah, I apologize for the really terrible lighting, Joe's awful jokes, and my terrible frigging cold.
I'm not
have a good one. Bye. Say bye, Joe.
Bye.
Hey.
Bye, Joe.